verse 1 to 17. The conclusion na kinabuhi ni Job. Job chapter 42. Then Job answered and said, I know that thou canst do everything, and that no thought can be withholden from thee. Now in verse 3, who is he that he counsel without knowledge? Therefore have I uttered that I understand not, things too wonderful for me, which I knew not. Here I beseech thee, I will speak, I will demand of thee, and declare thou unto me. I have heard of thee by the hearing of the ear, but now my eye saith thee. Wherefore, I have hurt myself, and repenting thus, and ashes. Now in verse 10, kung mo kikita ulit in verse 10, in verse 10, ano na? And the Lord what? Turned what? The captivity of Job. When he had prayed for his friends, also the Lord gave twice as much as he had what? Before. Kapag kita kinabuhi ni Job, ano ang conclusion? Ginduple hang Ginoo ang mga butang nga nakadahiya kaysa una. Pero kakamil may dahiya. Pero di ba, ano yung mga hayop? Thousands, may 7,000, may 2,000, may thousands. Nasa Ginoo, hakatapusan na kinabuhi ni Job, gimbalik ang Ginoo ang blessing again, pero ginano na?
Doble.
Gindoble. Kung Job may da mga karnero nga 1,000, nahimo nga 2,000 na niya karnero. Kung Job may baka nga 7,000, nahimo nga 14,000 na niya baka. Nag-iba pa ng mga butang. Kung Job may napulok hektarya nga tuna, gindoble ang Ginoo, pero na 20 hektarya. Ang mga servant nga nakadahiya, gindoble gihapon ang Ginoo. Material things on his own possession, gindoble ang Ginoo. Nasa and the Lord what? Torn the captivity of Job when he prayed for his friends. Also the Lord gave Job twice as much as he had before. Now in verse 11, then came there unto him all his brethren. At tunay, hinahinan nga balik kami mga kamag-anak. Nakilala na nila balik ni Job, kaya wala naman bursok. Wala, napakita ng tao nga bursok ito ng bugos na lawas. Ano? At na, and all his sisters, and all they that had been of his acquaintance before, pati niya asawa, bumalik Job. Mabalik na ko mo, naintindihan ko na, na-trials na nga itong minahatag, ang ginugintog, nilumo na nga itong blessing. Bumalik na niya asawa. Nakipagbulan. Bumalik. Anong sumpay? And did eat bread with him in his house, and did beam on him, and comforted him over all the evil that the Lord hath brought upon him. Every man also what? Give him a piece of money, and everyone an earring of gold. Now in verse 12, so the Lord what? Blessed the latter end of Job more than his what? His beginning. Now in verse 12 again, for he had what? 14,000 sheep. Uy, 14,000 na mga karnero. Kung naniniya ito ano, kaupay daw. Kada bulan mag-iihaw kitang karnero. Mga sinay pastor, kato kita pa, maghanap kita, mga naong kita. Mag-iihaw akong karnero. Ano pa? 6,000 camels. 6,000 camels. Damo. Ano pa? And 1,000 yoke of oxen. Mga baka. 1,000 nga baka. Ano pa? And 1,000 what? She asses. Now in verse 13, ano yung mga anak? He had also what? 7 sons. And what? 3 daughters. Now in verse 15, kita, ano yung mga anak? Among pinakamahusay at tibuok lugar. Among pinakamahusay na lugar. Oh, in verse 15, mga maghusay ng gwapo. And in all that the land were what? No women found so fair as the daughter of Job. And their father what? Give them inheritance among their brethren. Now in verse 16, after this lived Job and 100 what? 140 years. Nakaabot pa Job in 140 years. Ano pa niya nakita? Ha? Ngan and so his sons and his sons and even what? 4 generations. Nakita pa niya anak, anak kaniya anak, anak kaniya apo. Nakita pa niya unto the 4th generation. Now in verse 17, so Job died, being what? Being old, and what? Full of this. Namatay Job mga kabugtuan ko, punong panalangin, dakong kalipay, Lord, salamat. In spite namatay na ako anak, yung balik ni mo, pero maghusay, ngan gwapo. Lord, salamat ang atong mga hayop na nagkamatay, ang iba nasunog, ang iba maging pangawat, ginduglo ni mo, Lord. Ang akong karikuhan, Lord, salamat, yung balik ni mo. Twice, like before. It means to say mga kabugto ako, when God will going to give you trials, after that one is what? Blessing. Diba? Ang trials, pamaagi niya ng Ginoo para niya panalangin. Kaya gusto ang Ginoo ipadangat na niya blessing ngayon mo pinagit trials. Without trials, there's no blessing. Sumala, kung wala hikos na magsakripisyo ako, may kalawasan ba kita? Pamalandungi daw. Kung wala ang kamatay ni Kristo rin kapos, may kalawasan ba kita? Wala. So, it takes time para umabot ang trials through our blessing, through what? Trials. Ang kinabuhi ni Diyo kita. Naging malipayo na niya katapusan niya kinabuhi. Nagbigan yan 140 years. Full of joy. Full of days. Sa anak, experience ko ang kapurihan. Yan na, abi. Open ang atong kinabuhi. Anya mga anak, nakita niya balik. Anya mga karikuhan, gindugli pang Ginoo. Sana ang I hope and I pray na pag-abot ng trials, maging parehas kita pang Diyo. Para gihapon kita nga tanan, damo pang blessing at mabut hatong pinabuhi. Trials are God's means of what? Transportation. Ipapakita mga kabugtuan ko ang Ginoo ang blessing na parang imo. Para gudain mga blessing. Para gudain mo. Sangat na pagreklamo, badangan yung ng price mo. Huwag sa pagreklamo, Lord, salamat, may price ko yan. Kaya bangin niyang kulap, Lord, may blessing yun. Or bangin was, Lord, marang ako may blessing yun. Iampo, pasalamat sa din, Lord, salamat sa din yung price yun ang ginatad ako. Ampong kusog nga ma-overcome ninyo. Ampong kaaram nga madara ninyo maupay mga trials. Ampon maupay nga diri ka. Sing paman maisimang nisitan, maparayo di dahang Ginoo mapagpangalagad. Kanang paghapon kung panalangin ang kang Ginoo. Sing paman Always what? Humble for God. Ayaw pa magmataas kundi magpaubos ka. Kasi paman, the more ka kayo na nagpapag mo sa tumahan ng Ginoo, the more blessing ang naabot ng pinabuhat. Always pray. Always be humble. Then always be thankful. Pagpasalamat niya po na Ginoo. Remember, God is a God of good times. And also is a God of what? Evil times. Direturo ta ng kakalipan. Nalagapin ka sa atin. That was sorrow will turn to laughter. And those sadness will turn to joy. Remember Job. Remember the light of Job. Again, kung atong babalik ko again in verse 10, nasa ni day, unless praise nga itong gagamiton in all this, did not Job sin with his lips. Matalang ko to, nananabu, pati buo kinabuhi ni Job, wala niya paghimog hapon, pag-complain, pag-curse, pagbuhatin sala, hatubangan, tutunan. But rather always pray, and always be thankful, hiya Ginoo, hanawabot hiya kinabuhi. Remember Job. Remember Job. Mapapares kita kayo hapon. But always remember, what is number one? Trials are what? God's means of testing. Number two, trials are God's means of what? Of His testimony. And number three, trials are God's means of what? Transportation. What kind? Blessing. 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 Let's stand.